that's a rack, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack.
Yo, what's up, DNO Squad? It's your boy O Squad, aka Omari, aka Philip A.
It's your boy Darren, aka D Squad. Right now, we Burger King about to do a smash pass.
Smash or pass.
Celebrity edition.
Yeah, celebrity edition, smash or pass. So basically, I'm just gonna start off by just saying right now, he got food and I don't, cause one of my braces just got tightened, so I can't eat really anything. My mouth is like real sore. So basically, I'm just drinking like nutritional meal replacement drinks. Basically like Ensures, but it's a little bit different. But it tastes the same, honestly. But really, bro. But yeah. So hold on.
Oh, now I got chicken nuggets.
Yeah, let me. This is low key like a mukbang too, to be honest with you. But let me open this real quick. So this a mukbang.
You don't use buffalo for your chicken nuggets.
Nobody use buffalo for the chicken.
Something wrong with you.
He trying to put y'all on new ways. I bet you it's nasty. I mean, what? Nah, buffalo pretty good though. But I mean, I can't eat, so I'm messed up for now. So let's see. The first person we gonna smash or pass. Beyonce. Oh, you want to see all them pictures? Oh. Come on, man. You weird, alright, man. But yeah, basically, think she got it.
So Beyonce. Like to smash Beyonce.
Yeah, Beyonce. I'm sorry, bro.
She had all my babies. All of them.
All your babies, bro?
No, not all of them.
Oh, okay. True.
You?
Of course I'm. Cool. Bro, on and popping, man. She can have my babies too, man. She can hold all of this. Let me stop playing though. So yeah. But nah, tell it. Man, I just want to say right now, yeah, in this video, I'm not single. But it don't mean nothing. This is just, you know, it's just for fun. It's celebrities. I'm not finna be nobody in no school. Like, this ain't finna, you know, I'm not finna really smash up. I'm just saying, hypothetically, if it ever happened. Of course. No.
Oh, okay. I was like, I'll be talking about this with you.
Alright.
Smash or pass. Rihanna.
Rihanna?
Oh my God.
Stop. Rihanna. Of course. Yes, definitely. Damn. Yeah, man. I'm tapping for sure. Bro, can you?
It's my celebrity crush right here.
It's your celebrity crush? Damn, I didn't know that. Oh yeah, I'm definitely smashed. I'm sorry.
You get her cheeks beat in.
Alright, man. You was
Beat in.
Bro, I'm really about to get your pickle chin that boy. Hey, go that concrete here, that boy. Oh, head on by your dirt, that boy. Stink that boy. Afro head, that lip gloss chin, that boy. That boy.
Hey, man.
Oh shit, I can't be showing that.
He said, that's when he hit you with that cut.
Alright, that's one. Alright.
Alright. Let me unlock my door. Let me get up in this door. Alright. Alright, so the next person gonna be Alexis Ren. Alexis, this what she look like this. Okay, my phone low, you know.
Oh,
This
yeah.
Alexis.
Would you classify that as a snow bunny?
A snow bunny.
I don't think that's a snow bunny. No, that's a Starbucks cream.
This man said a snow bunny.
She look like she drinks Starbucks.
Alright, smash or pass, man.
Oh, you gotta go to a better picture.
A better one?
Wait, no, go to the one on the beach.
Oh, her on the beach?
Yeah.
Oh,
wait,
know.
no, wait, can't show that. Never mind.
Nah, man, that's too much, man. That's too much.
You pass on it.
You gonna pass? I probably pass too. Cause to be honest, she look like one of those girls that's kind of crazy. To be honest with you, like I think she would be crazy. I don't know. I think she'd be crazy, so I probably wouldn't. You think she a snowball? So.
No, I said, would you classify as? I don't know, nigga. I would assume snowman would be whiter.
Yeah, most likely. I wouldn't though. She look kind of crazy. I mean, I don't know. Only reason why I said probably Beyonce and Rihanna, because one, we know them. Two.
When's the last time you seen them?
No, I don't even got the two. Just one. I probably know them better. I feel like they state of mind me better. Her state of mind, I don't know. She could be crazy.
Why you so detailed?
Cause you wanted the answer, man. Dang, chill out. Why you gotta be like that? Alright, next. Selena Gomez. Let's see a good photo of Selena Gomez. They got a photo.
What you do?
About loaded, I don't know. Everything started loaded in like some dumb stuff.
Her face is very round.
Her face is very round. Oh my god, I'm tired of this Wi-Fi, man. I'm gonna apologize for the Wi-Fi right now.
We use Burger King Wi-Fi.
Man, we using their Wi-Fi because our data is, well, my data is garbage for sure. My data is real garbage.
For sure.
But nah, man. Selena, I'm a pass on her. I know a lot of people probably gonna be like, that's cap. They gonna probably be like, that's cap, but I'm a pass. I'm probably gonna pass.
I probably smash them.
Her face do look wrong. Why her face?
Yeah, I'll probably smash.
Can this thing load?
You seen that in that one music video? Y'all know what I'm talking about.
Come on, y'all know what I'm talking about. Name the music video then.
I don't know.
I'm good on that. Yeah, I'm good on that.
Alright. Smash the pass, Bojo or Britney.
Can I let the
Bundle
of hold on.
Oh my god.
Hold on.
Oh. We definitely have to blur all this out. Monetization purposes.
Talking about monetization. We over here with like 40 subscribers talking about monetization.
Alright, here, this is good.
Oh. She can have all my kids. That's all I gotta say. Oh yeah, she definitely have my kids. I'm sorry.
At least she got the Soul 33,000.
I'ma go. You wild, bro. You wild as hell for that. Alright.
Should I be recording too long? I keep on forgetting.
Alright, so the next one, Miranda Cosgrove, man. iCarly, what is wrong with you, man? You don't like iCarly? I know you like her. I know you like iCarly. I should tell her what you said.
No.
Yeah.
I don't know why. You can't tell me say you were to check off the list.
No. She too what?
I don't know, man.
I'm gonna put it in the comment section with who you talking about. I'm gonna expose you now. You said yeah. Let me eat one of these fries, man. Even though my mouth's sore.
You better Burger King get that chicken nugget, man.
I'm over here struggling to eat a fry.
Okay.
And for like the next one though, cause I know how she look, but in some of these pictures it's kind of like But you know Chrissy Teigen, that's John Smith.
Oh yeah. You say John Smith.
You stupid as fuck!
Man said John Smith. It's John Legend, bro.
John Smith.
It's John Legend.
It's John Smith.
It's John Legend. This man is retarded.
I was joking, bro. Chill out.
This man is retarded. Alright.
Now you know you got them brain farts sometimes. I don't know why I just said stuff.
No, that was a brain diarrhea. Shit was more than a fart. A little bit of something else came out.
I don't know what that, but you smash it and pass it, bro.
You gotta go to a better picture, man.
Man, it's that. I was looking at these pictures before, and I'm like, this is mostly her kids, bro.
Oh, we do it after those.
Alright, I don't know.
No.
Whatever. I'm passing. I feel like it looked like she did too much face up. Like, I mean, too much. She like she did work to her face. She probably didn't, but I don't know. Might be the makeup. I don't know.
I think we passed too.
I'm a pass on that, for sure, definitely.
Alright, next one. Smash or pass Black China.
You already know my
Pick.
answer. You already know my answer, man. Can you please stop?
I'm looking for the picture.
You're looking for monetization. That's what you're looking
Exactly. Alright, here we go. You see, her pictures come out looking good, but I bet if you saw like real life.
But what now? You show all casual and shit.
We do that, man.
So like for the body, I'm probably a smash, but like
No, hell no. Her body, her first of all, her thighs don't match. Second of all, her booty built weird.
bro, your whole body built weird. You feel
It's
like a
built
whole.
nigga, we had the same body type. Look, it's built like a square. Not the good type of square.
How you have a
You ever
bad
seen,
type?
you ever seen Black China square? I mean, I don't know what he did there.
Bro.
I did not mean to say that.
Bro. Alright.
Cause Freddie turned like
Oh
Look.
my god. I'm pretty sure none of us really see her squirt, man.
you know this. But have you ever seen Black China twerk, bro? Nothing be moving.
You trying to say twerk?
Twerk.
How you get squirt
I
and
don't know.
twerk?
Oh, the one bit on my head. Look,
You said I'm tripping. I said John Smith.
that shit, I got the hair to break for it too.
Shit, brain fart.
Yeah, man. Have you ever seen her twerk? Nothing be moving. Think about when you hit that from the back. You ain't gonna feel it, man. It's gonna be like hitting. It's gonna be like hitting the wall. I'm good. That's a pass.
Kylie Jenner. Bro, I'm tired of this Wi-Fi, man. This is annoying, but Kylie Jenner. What the fuck, man? We finna fight. Let's box. We finna scrap.
You don't know the things I do to college.
Man, I would love it. This Wi-Fi can pick up. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Travis Scott gotta go. Even though, hey, look, even though her thighs don't match, we ain't talking about that right.
Bro, your head don't match with your body. Your neck is thin though. Your legs don't match with. Well, actually, it do.
I just go outside again.
You wanna scrap? Hold on, we'll be back.
Yo, street being built that is.
It's built like a toothpick.
Okay, now, see, look, cause
That's not. I have to. You have to. You know what? Forget it, man.
oh, but what did I say? What did you say? You said who? Oh yeah,
Kylie? Yeah, Kylie Jenner.
I'm doing one to smash. I'm impregnating her the first night. Hey,
First night.
you gonna keep sipping, bro? Alright, smash the pass. Ari. This what's it called? G-Herbo baby mom. Somebody.
I don't want to say it because Jerry gonna kill me. Jerry gonna watch the video. Go, oh me, yeah, I'm a smash, but Jerry going.
See now, this is what you call a naturally big girl. She naturally big.
Yeah, he got him a good one.
He not with her no more.
He had him a good one. My fault.
Yeah, it's good.
Damn, she has 146 million. That's crazy.
I'm definitely smashing.
I'm going to Jeffrey.
Definitely.
Alright, so this is gonna be my last one, then this is gonna be his last one, so we're gonna do 2 more basically. So for mine, Miranda Kerr. This Miranda Kerr,
She pregnant? I have no idea. She cute in the face, but she also looks crazy.
I promise you, girl, you be looking crazy.
Her eyes are fire. But she like the type that if you break up with her.
Alright, never mind, pass.
Yeah, pass. Yeah, nope. No surgery. Nope. Pass.
Cause she pregnant, right? So I'm guessing she gotta look probably bigger. But in that picture, like no offense, she look kinda anorexic.
That's an anorexic.
But yeah, that's that.
Alright, look. I say the best one for last. Best one.
Best one.
Smash the pass.
I bet she not pick no best one.
Caitlyn Jenner.
What though? You wait, hold on.
Caitlyn Jenner.
Hold on, is that the dude mom girl thing?
Bro, Caitlyn Jenner.
What is wrong with you?
Caitlyn Jenner.
Dude,
bro. Oh my
what is
God.
wrong with you? You gay.
I ain't sound like that. Caitlyn Jenner, bro.
Caitlyn Jenner.
You did.
What is wrong?
Did you?
Well, I'm finna go look up Jeffree Star now while you playing. Don't let me do it. What is wrong with you, Caitlyn Jenner? That's
So
not,
basically, Amari said Caitlyn Jenner could get it. That's crazy.
bro.
That is crazy.
That's a whole dude, bro.
You say she could get it. That's look. The camera cut, but he told me she could get it.
The camera did not cut.
He
I'm
cut the
gonna
camera,
make
he
sure I'm
told
gonna keep recording too this whole time. I'm gonna make sure I don't cut it out. You playing, bro?
I'm passing, nope.
You said smack?
Ain't with that gay shit. No homo, no homo. I mean,
No homo.
Oh.
He mean no offense to gay.
no offense, gay people. We fuck with gay people. We just not. We don't work like that. We back. It's cricket.
Oh my god. It's your big ass head.
It's still cricket. It's still cricket.
Oh my god. Can I hit this outro?
Damn.
It's still cricket.
Alright, there we go.
Okay. Alright, we good. So, basically that's gonna be the end of our video
Are
today.
you doing yours?
Doing what?
Your own.
I did. That was my last one. That's y'all showed me, and then you showed me. So basically, that's gonna be the end of the video.
Alright, man. This is the video, man.
Probably take over. Go ahead.
Subscribe if you like these videos. We coming out with more. We gonna try to upload more often. Even though we already upload at a decent amount. Yeah, we gonna try to upload more often.
For sure. We gonna definitely get out there. For sure. But though, for real though, share this with your friends, your family.
Your baby cousin.
Your baby cousin. That's okay. Share with your grandma, your auntie, your uncle, your nephew.
You got one?
Your baby mama, your baby daddy. Share it to your cousin-in-law, your brother-in-law, your sister-in-law. Share it to your dog,
Alright, fuck all he talking about.
share it to your dog, your cat. Share it to your fish. Share it to anybody that you see that have a cellular device. Just share it so we can get out there, spread the word. We definitely gonna be coming with banger content. No cap.
Yeah, man. Add us on Instagram.
Also,
mine is DNO.
Also, it's okay. Let me finish this because all right. So make sure you all right. Follow us on Instagram. O Squad 0.
At D Squad 0.
Yeah, at O Squad 0 at D Squad. It's basically O Squad D Squad, but it's a 0 at the end. It's the same basically. So definitely you will find this easily. And definitely like, comment, and subscribe. You don't have to comment if you don't want to. You don't have to like if you want to. You can subscribe.
You like it, man.
don't have to like the video. You don't have to like the video, but please subscribe and at least watch it. You know, you gotta watch the video, man. How else you gonna see the funny?
Peace.
Bro. This is how you do it, bro. You just do this. Oh, hold on. Make sure you watch the other 2 videos that we dropped. So now you can see what we really talking about. Because the first video about what we doing on the channel. So y'all gonna know what we doing basically. But let me just say it one more time. It's basically pranks, skits, like, you know, little random, like, you know, smash or pass video, something like that, you know, Q&A, stuff like that too. You can add that in. But mainly it's gonna be skits and pranks. But I don't want to let y'all know that. But no, for real now, because you did it completely wrong.
Skit dropping next week.
Definitely. Maybe by the end of this week, depending on. No, it might be the end of this week. Probably. No, we definitely probably gonna get at the end of this week, but I'm not for sure completely. But it's definitely gonna be soon. I promise y'all, for sure. But for sure. But for real though, like, comment, subscribe, and we out.
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm